Namaste. Lots of wishes to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Vijayadashami. Vijayadashami, the name itself suggests that it's the day of the victory, triumph of good over all the bads. So, as we all know, that it is the very same day when Prabhu Sri Ramchandra conquered over Ravan and Devi. She destroyed the demon Mahishasur. So we know this from our traditions that this is the day where that signifies the whole journey of these 9 days of Navratra into the culmination of triumph, the day of triumph. So, what I have been talking about that creative problem solving, and today this is the day of culmination where I want to talk about that. What is it? How we can connect Vijayadashami with the problem solving, creative problem solving process. So, I feel that it's not very difficult to understand the basic, the meaning of the phrase when we say that creative problem solving, we are trying to come over of some problem area and we are becoming a solution seeker and we're trying this journey, we are taking this journey in the search of a solution, the most effective solution for the problem area that we have chosen to work on. And what could be the triumph other than coming up with an effective and creative solution for the problem? So the again, the name of the process itself suggests that it's in the end it is going to be the triumph with the kind of efforts and the process that we follow. Apart from this, I feel that there are so many other small victories that we gain when we try and implement this particular creative problem solving process for various tasks that we are doing. So the very first that comes to my mind is that in the process while we are implementing this, we seek a lot of clarity, self clarity. How? I'll just tell you. See, I talked about the first phase where we're trying to understand the problem in so many different ways and in deep so that we can come up with a solution, a better solution. So in this process, we are talking to many people, we are reading a lot of information about that problem, we are observing people who are facing that kind of a problem, be it a self problem or it is for somebody else. We are trying to go deep into it and try to seek knowledge, more knowledge about it, which is nothing but getting more and more self clarity. Second thing, in self clarity itself would be when this is the process. In the process, when you are coming up with many solutions, many ideas for the problem, at the initial stage, before concluding or before converging onto the two, three most practical solutions which you feel there. So before that, when you are exploring many ideas, many solutions, that is the time where actually you are trying to exhibit or implement your creative skill in coming up with those lot of solutions. And it's your ability to express your own thoughts at that point of a time. So which is again nothing but exploring or getting more clarity or getting an opportunity to express your own thoughts and your own creative ideas. So that's how you're seeking even more self clarity. And third thing, I feel the last phase where you are trying, testing things, that is where you are actually implementing the solution, taking the action from thinking to the real world action to implement that solution, which is again getting more clarity into the whole thing. So this is how the process, in the process, I feel that you get a victory or in the form of self clarity, having better clarity in that particular area. Second victory that I think this process leads us to is about being able to collaborate with so many people. From the very first stage where you're trying to understand the situation better, you're talking to many people who are facing the similar problems and interacting with them. Next thing, when you are coming up with, like, if it's a brainstorming session which you are doing together with a team, again you are collaborating and working on each other's ideas, taking them ahead. So which is again the collaboration. You're learning from each other and building over the different ideas. Third thing, in this collaboration would be when you are trying and testing. Again, you are asking people, observing people to test whatever prototypes that you have made, the small models that you have made, and then testing them. So again, you're collaborating. So your skills of collaboration is one victory that you get through this process. And third and most important, I feel, is being aware about different problem areas, not only for yourself but elevating expanding your awareness, which is limited to yourself or your immediate surrounding. You are uplifting you to the more deep problems which you feel are there faced by the society. And this is where you can get that awareness about finding that one problem which you want to solve, and with which you want to bring in a positive change in the world around you. So I think that's the best victory that we can get by implementing this process. So that's how I can relate creative problem solving process with victory and Vijayadashami. Again, I hope that you appreciate and you like these thoughts that I am sharing with you. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe, because a thought can transform many lives. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.